So this is a review of the book that I read throughout the semester. It's called The Law of Success in 16 Lessons. And I'll go ahead and start. So this is Oliver Napoleon Hill. He was born in 26th of October 1883. He is the author of the book. He's an American self-help author. This book was first published in 1928. I came in a set of 15 separate books that was written by him. It's a precursor book notable to Think Rich, Grow Rich, another great book written by him. This book emphasizes concepts, principles, and fundamentals that can help a person be successful in their chosen field. It helps them collaborate the qualities and traits that are already in them. And so when they read this, when they go through these lessons, they can better understand and implement the lessons in their chosen field. So impactful lessons to me, I can find it in lesson 11 of the 16 lessons. I chose this lesson, which is Accurate Thought, where it talks about self-control, enthusiasm, and positive thinking. Those three things I feel helped me the most. I was able to relate with it. So I'll start with first one, self-control. This is a quote in the book saying, "Self-control is the balance wheel that controls your actions." So I learned a lot about my thoughts. My thought influences my actions, so I have to be in control. So I come up with systems that will help me gain self-control. And in order to do that, I'd be sequential with my actions, focusing on one certain element at a time, at the same time being present and being aware of my surroundings. So at the end, I attain flexibility. I have to have accurate thought. So this is a quote, and which leads to this part. An example that was written in the book about Thomas Edison being one of the great successful person that achieved greatness through accurate thinking. So he was able to do that through organization, classification, and his relevance of use of thoughts. So he was able to separate facts from mere information. So that drove me to the pivot to my business, which is I recognize and I want to make use of positive vibes that I've seen around me. So I like to think of myself as a realist, and after reading this book, I realized how I lean more towards the negative things. So this experience has taught me how to reflect and also change my ways. So I feel, and I think so that by doing this, I will make a difference. Starting now, I will be able to change just with my relationship with the people I do business with, and in learning and other aspects. So my goal is to also apply moderation to myself, and be consistent with positive thinking, as self-control, accurate thoughts, and enthusiasm. And they reflect all these things. I don't want to come up too strong. Don't want to be too boring. So I always maintain a moderation in all aspects and things that I'll pursue in my relationships with people, and my goals, and also my plans. So those were the things. The review. Hope you guys